Hello everyone, I want to show you guys how you can recover your files from a corrupt system, from a crash window, and from a dead system. This tutorial is for everyone, for those working for companies, cooperative, organization, and this tutorial is mainly for those using laptop. So if you are using a desktop and you also want to do this, comment below and I'll provide the tutorial for you. So I want to show you guys how you can recover your files from a dead system, a corrupt system, a crash OS without using a software. So this tutorial is simple and it's for everyone. You don't need a hardware engineer to come and help you with this. You can do it on your own. Like as you can see now, this is my system now. I unplugged it, I was using it to play games, so it automatically shut down. So when I turn it on, it was showing me this. But I can fix this. This one is not a problem to me, but I want to use it to create this tutorial to show other guys how you can recover a file from your corrupt system. Like this one now, showing me automatic repair. I will fix it, but not in this tutorial. So I will only use this now to show you guys how you can recover your files without using a software. So let me turn this system off. So I'll turn it off. This you can see now it's booting. This is a Windows 8.1 system. You can see it's loading. Yeah, this is what the system was showing me. Your PC ran into a problem, blah blah blah. But that is not a problem to me. I will fix it later, but not on this tutorial. So let me go to the next step. So I will shut the system down. Okay now. So I will turn the back of this system for me to get access to the hard disk. So I will plug it. You can see I've turned the system upside down. Then I will look for where my hard disk is located. This here my hard disk is located, and these are the tools I will need. These are the tools I will need for this tutorial. This is an external hard disk case. This is a screwdriver, and this is a working system which I will use to recover my files. Although you can use a desktop, you can still use a laptop to do this. So this is a working laptop that I will use for recovering my files. So let's go back to where we started. So how will I know where my hard disk is located? With this symbol here. This is a symbol of the hard disk. Anywhere you see this symbol at the back of the system, there's where your system hard disk is located. Like for the keyboard, this is a symbol, the keyboard symbol, which is showing you that if you unscrew this here, you can get access to your keyboard. This is another one here, and there's another one around here. That's it. So I will unscrew. This is my hard disk now. So let me unscrew this screw here and then pull it back and bring out my hard disk. Please, when doing this, be careful with your hard disk, because if you allow this hard disk to fall off from your hand, it's a 50-50 case. Thereby your hard disk may work or your hard disk may not work. So you have to pamper your hard disk. It's not what you can play with. So you have to be very careful with it. You don't allow it to fall anyhow. When you want to keep it gently to avoid error, to avoid using your pipe. Because if this hard disk is virtually just leave it and it fell on the floor now, you might lose your files. So be careful with it. This is my external case. So let me plug it. Plug the case now. As you can see, this green light here. You see the green light is showing that this thing is active and it's really working. So let me open it. So if you don't have an external case, you can go and buy it, or you use your external hard disk case. You unscrew it. Like as you can see now, this is my external hard disk. So I have to remove this hard disk. You gently remove it to do it with ease. Then this one, as you can see now, this hard disk cannot enter into this case in this one. So I have to unscrew the screw here, 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 and here. As you cannot see now, I've unscrewed it now. Here are the screws. I've unscrewed it from the case. This is the hard disk. So I will put it into the external. You do it with ease. You don't force it. You gently fix it. So I'll fix it now. As you can see now, that's come up here now. This is the hard disk now. This dialog box is showing that this computer now recognizes the hard disk which I put. So I'll close it because I won't be needing this. Close it. Then come to your keyboard. You press Windows plus E to take it to my computer. This is my computer now. As you can see now, this is the hard disk that I put into the external casing. Let me unplug the plug so that you guys will see. You see that went off. So let me put the plug back just to show you guys that this is the hard disk I've put here. So it's coming up. You can hear the sound now. Look at it nice. That's come up. So this is here. Although I've partitioned this hard disk, as you can see, it's partitioned. But most times I do save my work on my desktop. I don't feel like taking it to here. Maybe I feel the work is less important, or it's just a work I'll just do and take it to the one or so. Most times I leave my work here. So what I'm going to recover is those ones that I left here, that I saved on my desktop, which I did not copy to my second partition. So you click on it, you go to users, it's loading as you can see. Then this is the users here, and this is the one I'm using. So this is my user account. So I'll click on it. As you can see, it was open. So for you guys, I want to recover your document. You can click on my document. Then you will see all your files there. So if you still need it, you copy it, come to this place, you create a folder. Create a folder. Use it here. which you are going to name. Create a folder here which you are going to rename as my files. Hit enter. So you can still open it. This is the folder here. Take it to the other side. Then those of your files which you need, which you think that are very important to you, can copy them. Let me say I'm choose one of this file. Subject exam. You can see this exam question which I typed for some schools. So I think this one is the one that is important to me. So I have to right click on it. I copy it. Then go to the new folder which I've created as my file. Then paste it there. As you can see now, paste it there now. So I still go back. Maybe you have some files saved on your desktop. You click on desktop. You can see it's loading. Then those of your files which you think that are important you left on your desktop, you can locate it. You can locate it. Then after you locate where the file is on your desktop, this one and this certificate now, design this certificate for someone. So or we copy it, right click on copy. Then I'll go back to that my new folder which I've created on this laptop desktop. I'll right click there and paste it. You can see now it's copying. Paste it. Then and that's all. So any of your files which you think that is important here, you copy it to the computer, to the desktop here you want to use to recover the file. Then after copying it, you can unplug this hard disk here. You unplug it, then you put the hard disk in which you want to use to back up your files. You put it, then after putting it, you open the hard disk. Then this file here which you have copied back from the system hard disk that was corrupt. Then you can right click on the folder, copy, then paste it into the external hard disk which you want to use to back up your file. And that's all. Please, if you don't understand this video, you can comment below and I will explain more about it. Or you are facing some serious issue with your computer and you don't know how to fix it, please comment below. I will provide a tutorial for you on how to fix it. So like I said before, if you don't understand this video, please comment below and I will explain more about it to you. But unfortunately, I don't have a desktop with me here to show you guys how you can still recover your files using a desktop. Maybe you have a desktop and your desktop is bad or faulty. Yes, it's bad or faulty, and you have some important files in that desktop and you want to recover it. You can still comment below. When I come across a desktop, I will still use it to provide the same tutorial, but that one is going to be for a desktop. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like my video and to subscribe. Thank you guys.